What is spirituality? Is it religion? Is it meditation? Or is it something more personal and profound? In today's video, I'll guide you through a simple step-by-step path to spirituality that you can start right now. This isn't about dogma or rules. It's about connecting with yourself and the universe in a deeper way. It's about finding your center, your purpose, and your place in the grand tapestry of existence. It's about tapping into that inner wisdom that resides within each of us, a wisdom that can guide us towards a more fulfilling and meaningful life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening, join me as we explore these actionable steps together. The first step on any journey, especially a spiritual one, is awareness. Think of it like this. You're standing at a crossroads, unsure of which path to take. Awareness is like stepping back, taking a deep breath, and really observing the paths before you. You begin to notice the subtle signs, the whispers of your intuition, guiding you towards the right direction. Spirituality begins when we step back from the noise of daily life and start observing ourselves, our thoughts, our emotions, our reactions. It's about noticing the rhythm of your breath, the feeling of your feet on the ground, the way your heart beats a little faster when you're excited. It's about becoming aware of the stories you tell yourself, the judgments you make, and the beliefs that shape your reality. This awareness, this conscious observation, is the foundation upon which we build our spiritual house. It allows us to see ourselves and the world around us with more clarity, compassion, and understanding. As we become more aware, we start to notice the interconnectedness of all things. We see how our actions impact others, how our thoughts create our reality, and how our energy contributes to the collective consciousness. This awareness is the key to unlocking a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's a deep appreciation for the good in our lives. Imagine holding a small seed in your hand. This seed represents gratitude. When you water it with appreciation, it begins to sprout, growing into a beautiful plant that blossoms with joy, contentment, and abundance. Gratitude is a powerful spiritual tool. It shifts your mindset from lack to abundance, and it aligns you with the energy of the universe. When we focus on what we lack, we create a feeling of scarcity within ourselves. But when we cultivate gratitude for what we have, no matter how small, we open ourselves up to receive even more blessings. Gratitude is like a magnet, attracting more things to be grateful for. It's about finding joy in the simple things, like a warm cup of tea, a beautiful sunset, or a heartfelt conversation with a loved one. Start by making a list of things you're grateful for each day. As you reflect on these blessings, allow yourself to feel the warmth of gratitude spread through your entire being. You'll be surprised by how much there is to be grateful for when you start paying attention. As you practice gratitude consistently, you'll find that your perspective on life begins to shift. Mindfulness. It's a word we hear often, but what does it truly mean? Imagine you're holding a delicate soap bubble. It shimmers with iridescent colors, reflecting the world around it. Mindfulness is like that bubble light, present and fully immersed in the now. It brings you fully into the present moment. The past is gone, the future is yet to come, but this moment is all we have. Mindfulness is about savoring this moment, experiencing it fully. It's about paying attention to your senses, the sights, sounds, smells, and tastes. Noticing the rise and fall of your breath, the feeling of the sun on your skin. When we practice mindfulness, we connect with the richness of the present moment. We begin to appreciate the beauty in the ordinary. Mindfulness isn't about emptying your mind, but observing your thoughts. It's like watching clouds drift by. You notice them, but don't chase after them. You simply allow them to pass through your awareness. As you cultivate mindfulness, you'll become more aware of your thoughts and feelings. Meditation. The very word might conjure images of monks on mountaintops or yogis in distant ashrams. But meditation is not reserved for the few. It's a practice accessible to everyone, regardless of background or belief. It's the doorway to deeper spirituality. Imagine your mind as a still lake. When the surface is calm and clear, you can see all the way to the bottom, revealing the hidden depths below. Meditation is like the stillness that allows us to peer into the depths of our being. It helps quiet the mind, open the heart, and connect with your higher self. It's about creating a space of stillness within, where you can connect with the peace and wisdom that reside within you. Meditation is not about stopping your thoughts altogether, but rather about observing them without judgment, allowing them to come and go like waves on the ocean. As you meditate regularly, you'll find that your mind becomes calmer and more focused. You'll be better able to handle stress, manage your emotions, and make clear decisions. You'll develop a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the world. There are countless ways to meditate, so find a practice that resonates with you. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. In the whirlwind of daily life, it's easy to get caught up in the doing and the constant motion, but taking time to reflect is crucial for growth. Imagine exploring a vast forest. Reflection is like pausing to appreciate the beauty and your journey. Journaling allows you to express thoughts and insights. Step back from busyness and create space for introspection. Ask yourself the big questions. What truly matters? What is my purpose? Journaling is a powerful tool for reflection. It's a safe space to explore your thoughts and feelings. Find a quiet time each day to reflect and journal. It could be morning before bed or during lunch. Get a journal you love and a comfortable space. There's no right or wrong way to journal. Simply let your thoughts and feelings flow. In the tapestry of life, nature is the master artist, weaving together intricate patterns of beauty, harmony, and wisdom. Have you ever noticed how a walk in the park or a hike in the mountains can leave you feeling refreshed, grounded, and connected to something larger than yourself? Nature is one of the most profound spiritual teachers. It reminds us of the interconnectedness of all things. It's a source of immense peace, wisdom, and inspiration. When we immerse ourselves in nature, we tap into a wellspring of healing energy that nourishes our mind, body, and soul. Find ways to incorporate nature into your daily life. It could be as simple as taking a walk in the park, sitting under a tree, or listening to the birds sing. Go for a hike in the mountains, swim in the ocean, or simply sit in your backyard and observe the beauty around you. As you spend time in nature, pay attention to your senses. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures of the plants and trees. Listen to the sounds of the wind, the water, and the animals. Feel the earth beneath your feet and the sun on your skin. Breathe in the fresh air and allow yourself to be fully present in the moment. As you connect with nature, you'll start to notice the interconnectedness of all things. Kindness and compassion are often seen as signs of weakness, but they are actually the greatest strengths we possess. Think of them as ripples in a pond, spreading outwards, touching everything they encounter. One of the most spiritual acts you can do is to spread kindness and compassion to yourself and others. It's about recognizing the shared humanity that connects us all, and treating ourselves and others with understanding, empathy, and love. Start by being kind to yourself. Treat yourself with the same compassion and understanding that you would offer to a loved one. Forgive yourself for your mistakes and focus on your strengths. Speak to yourself with kindness and encouragement. As you cultivate self-compassion, you'll find that it becomes easier to extend compassion to others. Look for opportunities to practice kindness in your daily life. It could be as simple as smiling at a stranger, offering a helping hand to someone in need, or simply listening with an open heart. Practice random acts of kindness without expecting anything in return. When you encounter someone who is struggling, try to see the world through their eyes. Offer them your empathy and support without judgment or criticism. To summarize, the path to spirituality is not complicated. It's about becoming aware of yourself and the world around you, cultivating gratitude for what you have, being mindful and present in each moment, meditating to connect with your higher self, reflecting through journaling, reconnecting with nature, and practicing kindness and compassion. Spirituality is a personal journey, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. The most important thing is to start. Which of these steps will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more spiritual tips, and share it with someone who's ready to embark on their own journey.